everyone, today we are going to learn how you can divide a whole number by a decimal number, as we have seen in the previous lecture opposite to this, that how you can divide a decimal number by the whole number. So let's have an example so we can quickly do this. So we have to divide whole number, that is 64, with a decimal number, that is 0.2. So a decimal number have a decimal or a point in it, and a whole number has no decimal or point in it. So this is how they differ. So let's start. So what we have to do is we have to multiply both the whole number as well as the decimal number with the 10 or multiples of 10 in order to make the decimal number a whole number. It means our first step is to convert decimal into whole number. So for that purpose, we have to multiply the decimal and as well as the whole number by 10 or multiples of 10 until and unless we get a whole number. So it's a rule of mathematics that if you are multiplying something on left hand side, you have to multiply the same on the right hand side. Similarly, if you are dividing something on one side, you have to divide on the same number on the other side. So this is our whole number, and we have to convert the decimal into whole number. So for that purpose, we have to multiply the decimal by 10. So we have to multiply the whole number by 10 as well. So we have 0.2 multiplied by 10. So by multiplying with 10, we can, if we are multiplying with 10, we can shift a decimal to the right one digit. That means this decimal will be shifted here. So let's see what it will be now. So we'll have 640 divided by 2, 640 divided by 2, because this decimal is shifted to the next place. Now 2 is a whole number. Now we need not to multiply both the numbers, that is whole number as well as decimal number, further by 10. If in case we have a number, a decimal number, in such a way that we need to multiply it with more tens, so we will see later. But here we need not to multiply it further with any 10 or multiple of 10, so we will stop here. Now we both have the numbers that are the whole numbers. Now we can easily use the method of whole number division, that is you can just write 640 inside, 2 outside, and it will be like 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, shortcut, 2 0s are 0. So what we will get is, 320. So 64 divided by 2 is equals to 320. This is our answer. So the whole thing here is you have to multiply the decimal number by the 10 or multiples of 10. It depends what number is given. Let's have one more example. If we have a whole number, that is 64, and it is divided by a decimal number, that is 0.02. So how you will solve that? That purpose, let's see, we have to first multiply both sides with the 10. So let's multiply the both sides with 10 as 64 multiplied by 10 divided by 0.02 multiplied by 10. So what we will get is 640 divided by, so if we multiply the whole number by once by 10, this point will go here. So what we will get is 0.2. So still it is a decimal number. So we need to multiply it with 10 again. So for that, let's see, 640 multiplied by 10 divided by 0.2 multiplied by 10. Now again, this digit will move here after multiplying by 10. So what it will be? 6400 divided by 2. So now we have both the whole numbers, and we can easily divide by using the normal method of division, that is like 6400 divided by 2 is 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, and the 2 zeros here. So what we will get is 64 divided by 0.02 will be equals to 3200. So the game is all about how many multiples of 10 you have to multiply by the decimal number as well as the whole number to get the whole numbers. So that's all from today's lecture. Hope it helps you a lot, and we'll see in the next lecture how we can divide a decimal number by a decimal number. Thank you.